Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine. We have started grammar lesson 12. It is happening now. We are doing revision. Grammar we all have completed. Okay? So now we are doing revision. We have started revision. We have done lesson 11, lesson 10. Today, lesson 12. It is happening now. Revision. Today we will do exercise. Okay? Yes. So exercise 1 and 2. First we will revise and then we will do exercise. Okay children? So see your revision. We will revise lesson 12. It is happening now. We will see the action words which is happening. Okay? So I think you all are ready to learn, to revise. Okay children? So now see here. Yes, here it is a beautiful butterfly. Butterflies are flying. Okay. Butterflies are flying. Fly is a very good action word. Then flying. So it is happening now. They are flying now, no? Yes. So now see what you have to do. Look at the pictures. Read the sentences. You have to look the pictures and then read the sentence. Okay children? So now see. See first picture. The baby is crying. Is crying. The action is happening now. Baby is crying. So your spelling CRYING, crying. The baby is crying. Can you see the picture of a baby crying? Yes. Now next picture. See, can you see this picture? Yes. Mother is working on the computer. Mother is working. See, it is shown in red color. Mother is working on the computer. Okay children? Where is mother? Mother is working on the computer. Now see here. We'll see the next picture. Yes, see that boy. Can you see the boy? Yes, his name is Abhijit. Abhijit is reading a storybook. Abhijit is reading a storybook. So is reading. Is reading is an action word. It is happening now. Now he is reading. Okay children? Now see next picture. The children are playing. Can you see the children with a ball? They are playing. The children are playing. So are playing is an action word. Okay? Now see, we will show you next picture. See this picture. My father is cooking food. My father is cooking food. Is cooking. ISECOOKING, cooking. FOOD, food. My father is cooking food. Can you see? There is a girl. There is a father. So she is telling, my father is cooking food. Okay, children? So I hope now you all have read all the sentences. Okay? So this is your revision. So now see here. Yes. So now the highlighted words tell us about the things that are happening now. We added ing to the words, no? To show that the thing is happening now. Okay, children? So now you take out your notebook. Yes. Write down what I am telling you. Number 1, exercise 1. Add ing to these doing words. Take out your notebook. Write down heading grammar. Lesson 12, revision. Exercise 1. Add ing to these doing words. You have to add ing to these doing words. Are you ready now to do? Add ing. Return. Yes, take out your notebook. You have to copy what I will speak. Understood, children? Exercise 1 you have to do in your notebook. Now see here. Add ing to these doing words. Now words are given here. You have to add ing. Okay? See? So number 1, brush. 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 You can write down number 1. Brush. For brush, write down brushing. 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 Okay? Brush, brushing. See, G is down, it is written. Brush, brushing. 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 Okay, children? Now see. Write down brush, brushing. Watch. So watching. Watch, watching. Watch, watching. You have to add ing to watch. 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 Watching. Okay? Watch, watching. See. Now see here ing is given. SEEC. See. What you have to write? See. Seeing. Write down. SEEC. SEEING. Seeing. See. Seeing. See. Seeing. Return. Very good, those who are writing. Now play. 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 So for play, write down what you will write. Very good, those who are answering. PLAY. Play. Playing. See, I have written. PLAYING. Playing. Play. Playing. Okay. Now work. 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 For work, work is a doing word. So work, what you have to write? Work, write down working. W-O-R-K-I-N-G. Work, working. Work, working. You have to add ing to the words. Okay, children? Very good. Next. Number 6. Word number 6. You can give 1 to 6. Okay, words. So, dream. D-R-E-A-M. Dream. D-R-E-A-M. Dream. What you have to write? Dream. Yes, very good. Write down dream. Dreaming. See the spelling of dreaming? D-R-E-A-M-I-N-G. Dreaming. Write down in your notebook this exercise 1. Add ing to these doing words. Brush, brushing. Watch, watching. See, seeing. Play, playing. Work, working. Dream, dreaming. Understood, children? Brush, brushing. Watch, watching. See, seeing. Play, playing. Work, working. Dream, dreaming. I hope you all have written now. Very good. Okay, children? So, now see, I will explain you. When we talk about one person or thing, we use am or is with the ing doing words. Okay, children, you understood? When we talk about one person, or a thing, we use am or is with ing doing words. You know ing doing words? We have learned just now, no? We have added to ing to words, so that are ing doing words. For example, I am, he is, it is. When we talk about more than one person or thing, we use are. For example, they are, we are, you are. Okay? So what we will do? When we use one person or thing, we use am or is with ing doing words. Learn well. Okay, remember it. Am or is with ing doing words. And are for more than one person or thing. Understood, children? Okay, this is your revision, so you must be understanding it. So now, study this table. See, this table is given for one person, more than one person. Now see, for one person, and if more than one person, okay, what we have to use? Am, is, are. Okay. So see, I am playing. More than one person, we are playing. I am playing. We are playing. When I am talking about myself, I am. And we talk about more person. If I am playing with many person, then we are playing. Okay? He, she, it is playing. They are playing. For more person we use they. They are playing. Okay, children. Now if one boy is playing, so the boy is playing. For one boy we use is. For many boys we use are. Okay. Now see here. The girls are playing. So there are many girls, not one girl. So the girls are playing. You are playing. So in both the sentence, if one person also we use you, and more than one person also we use you. Okay, very good. Now I hope you all are understanding. So now exercise number 2. You can write down in the notebook. Okay, children. Complete these sentences with doing words after adding ing. You can add ing to these words and then you have to complete the sentence. This is exercise number 2 which you have done. Okay. So I hope you will doing this. This is your revision. Okay, children. So see now, words are also given. You have to use these words to complete the sentence. Buzz, B-U-Z-Z, buzz. Climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb. Talk, T-A-L-K, talk. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn. Pack, P-A-C-K, pack. Chew, C-H-E-W, chew. Eat, E-A-T, eat. Dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Okay, now you can write exercise 2. Write down exercise 2. You can write only sentences. Okay, children. Complete the sentences with doing words after adding ing. So see now, the words have come here. From that you have to select the word. You have to add ing. So see here the picture has come. The sentence is, she is, then there is a blank, the tree. Now see there is a word. What word will come? She is climbing, no? So see here there is a word climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb. For that you have to write ing to the word. So you can write down, write in your notebook. She is climbing the tree. She is climbing the tree. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G, climbing, you have to add ing. Okay? Now see. Next picture. It is dash a bone. We have written this. She is climbing a tree. B-I-N-G, G is written down. Number B. It is chewing a bone. Here also G is down. Okay? Chewing a bone. This is your revision, so you must be knowing ing. Write fast. Okay, children? Yes. See now number C. See, I will show you. C. Mihir is dash on stage. Mihir is, see there is a word dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. So you can write, Mihir is dancing on stage. Copy down this fast. Mihir, Mihir. Mihir is dancing on stage. Mihir is dancing on stage. S-T-A-G-E. Stage. Okay, children? Very good. Write fast with good handwriting. Mihir is dancing on stage. You have written? Very good. Now see number D. D. Write down grandparents. G-R-A-N-D. Grandparents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Grandparents are in the park. So what words are given here in the box? So choose that word. What will come? What grandparents are doing? Walk. Yes, walking. So walking. Write down number D. Grandparents are walking in the park. Grandparents are walking in the park. You have written? Write fast with good handwriting. Grandparents, G-R-A-N-D, grand, P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents are walking in the park. W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking in the park. Okay, children? Yes. Now I will show you next sentence. So see here the words came. From that you have to select the word. Now see sentence E. Aunt. Write down aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt is. Now can you see the word pack for the trip? Pack. P-A-C-K. Pack. Yes, she is packing her bag, no? So E. Aunt is packing for the trip. Aunt is packing for the trip. Okay, children? Aunt is packing. P-A-C-K-I-N-G. Packing for the trip. Understood? Very good. Now see sentence number F. Neeru. N-E-E-R-U. Neeru. Neeru is. You can write sentence F. Neeru is learning. See here the spelling. L-E-A-R-N-I-N-G. Learning karate. Neeru is learning karate. Okay, student? Now I hope you all have learned this. Written in your notebook. Very good. So now see here. You have again the words have come. You have to write from that words and you have to complete the sentences. Okay, children? See now sentence number G. Write down in your notebook. Neha and her sister. N-E-H-A. Neha and H-E-R. Her sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister are. Now see what Neha and her sister are doing. You can write. Yes. What they are doing? Talking. Very good. So you can write Neha and her sister are talking. Write down TALKING. Talking. Neha and her sister are talking. 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 Now sentence number H. You have completed sentence G. Write fast with good handwriting. Now see the picture. H. Sentence H. So there is a small kitten. Yes, it is a baby animal of cat. So the kitten is, now what is the kitten doing? With a ball of wool. The kitten is playing, PLAYING, playing with a ball of wool. The kitten is playing with a ball of wool. Understood, children? Very good. Now see sentence number J. Okay, you have got the words now. Write down sentence. She is, and there is a blank, an apple. See, that is a girl. She is having an apple in her hand. So there is a word. She is eating. No, see there you can see the word eat. She is eating an apple. She is eating, EATING, eating an apple. She is, write down number I. She is eating, EATING, eating an apple, EPPLE, apple. You all know the spelling of apple. APPLE, apple. She is eating an apple. Okay, children, you have written this sentence I. Very good. Now see sentence number J. It is a honeycomb, no? So J, write down J. Bees are, what bees do? Can you see? Can you select the word from the box? First word is there. Yes. So write down number J, sentence J. Bees are buzzing around their hive. Bees are buzzing. BUZZING. Buzzing around their hive. Bees are buzzing around their hive. Okay, children? So I hope now you all have written this exercise 1 and exercise 2. Okay, children, do revision of these all exercise. This lesson number 12. It is happening now. Okay, children? So I hope you all are fine, doing good, doing your homework with good handwriting. Do revision properly of grammar. Okay, children, at the last, thank you all. Okay.